Hey there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Thought I'd just give you a quick run through of my car camping setup for anybody that's actually thinking of doing something along these lines. I have recently changed the mattress setup in here. What I did have was a piece of foam, a couple of bits of foam in here, but what I'm trying is, this is the Trekology UL 140 and it's an inflatable one, and it is inflated already, and around it there's a duvet cover to stop it from sliding around and to stop me from sliding around on it. Now the great thing I think about car camping is you can have a proper duvet in here. So that's what I've got. I've got an old duvet. This is the one that I used to take glamping with me, and a couple of old pillows as well. So it is actually really comfortable. Got to remember though, my car is quite a big one. So you can actually do that without moving any of the front seats, whereas with some cars you're going to have to move the front seats. What I've also got, and you might have seen the video for these, is these new curtains. I was previously using some of this, which is a windscreen cover for winter, which I'd cut up to shape to fit into these windows. And in the back windows, because this car's so long and it's got small windows at the back, I've had to keep that in. I also keep this collapsible foldable table in the back too. And these air cushions, I use these when I'm sat at the back of the car cooking. You might have seen that in some of the videos that I've done. And that's basically it. So I've basically got myself set up so that I can go stay anywhere in the car, I can camp over and I can sleep over, and if I've got my kayak with me and I'm by a river, I can get out early in the morning and have a bit of a paddle. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you've got a car camping setup, please put a link in the comments so that I can have a look and check yours out too. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you like this. If you do, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe. It costs you nothing. It just means you get a notification when you open up YouTube, when I've uploaded another video. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. Cheerio.